Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the access panel retainer on your KitchenAid dishwasher. The instructions in this video apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new access panel retainer for your KitchenAid dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The access panel retainers located here are used to secure the access panel to the dishwasher's frame. The retainer is in a locked position when it is oriented vertically. To unlock the retainer, turn it to the left using a flat-headed screwdriver. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. If you need to purchase a new access panel retainer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new access panel retainer to the notch in the access panel so that it is oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Then, press it into place. Now, turn the retainer to the right until it is oriented vertically, securing the access panel. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.